Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you a quick and easy way to convert your MP4 videos to GIFs using AI. And yes, it's completely free. Let's jump right in. First, let's fire up Chrome. Next, search for Adobe Express. Now, click on the first link to access Adobe Express. Click on Get Adobe Express for free. Now, scroll down until you find Convert MP4 to GIF and click on it. Select the MP4 video you want to convert into a GIF by clicking on Browse. Choose the file size and size of the GIF according to your preferences. Finally, click on Download to save your newly converted GIF to your device. And there you have it! Converting MP4 to GIF has never been easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more AI-powered tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!